Hello guys, today we will talk about ICT practical. On front page you have to write like this, submitted by your class, your roll number. Also you can give the full form of ICT like information communication technology. Then on the next page I have shown here index, preparation of resume in MS Word, preparation of result sheet in Excel, preparation of presentation of your teaching subjects. My teaching subjects was maths and science. Whatever your teaching subjects, you have to make the presentations of those, to make a blog, and steps to create an email ID. Firstly, I have given the definition of ICT. On the next page, I have shown a flow chart of ICT. Whatever flow chart you can show, I have shown the flow chart of software, application software, system software. Then our topic was you have to make a resume in MS Word. Here I am not showing my resume because of privacy. So let's turn next. Result sheet made in Excel. So this is the result sheet that you have to made in Excel. I have made it in mobile phone using the Excel app. That's why its printout is little bit blurred. So you can use computer. PowerPoint presentations of mathematics, our teaching subject. I have made the presentation of trigonometric function. Then here some basic trigonometric identities, even and odd identities, quotient identities, reciprocal identities. Then on the next page I have written some trigonometric formulas. Then quadrant wise division. Here this is the method you can learn all school to college. Next, right triangle trigonometric definitions. This is the trigonometric table. Next is PowerPoint presentation of science subject. I have chosen the topic acid, bases and salt. Firstly, I have given the definition of acid. What is acid? Weak versus strong acid. On the next page, common acids. Then what is base? On the next page, common bases. Types of acids and bases. Arrhenius acids and bases. Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases concept. Conjugate acid and base concept. pH, paper and buffer solution. Then what is salt? Neutralization reaction. You have to make presentations of your teaching subjects. I have made this presentation in mobile phone using the PowerPoint app. Then I have taken the PDF and print out of that. Next, educational blog. For educational blog, you have to firstly write down the definition of educational blog, how to create a blog, its steps, then little bit about blogger, its purpose, Then here is the steps to create blogger.com. Here your blogger has been created. You can post some educational blog here. Next, last one is you have to create the email ID. Here you have to just create email ID in your phone, then take the screenshots. I am not showing here my email ID just due to some privacy. So these are the just steps. Here you have to create your email ID and that's it. Thank you. I hope you like this. If you like it, please share.